Hi guys, I'm Chloe from Brit+Co. How are you?
Chloe.
We love another
Hi,
Chlöe.
Chloe. It's
Yay.
always good to talk to another Chloe.
Oh, I'm like, oh wow, her name's pretty.
Wow. Congratulations on this movie first off. This was such a wild ride. Y'all got some like audible, visceral reactions from me throughout the film.
We love that.
So
We love doing that.
definitely lots of surprises for audiences in this movie. But I'm curious to start. This is obviously such an intense story. Who would you say was the biggest cast goofball to kind of ease the tension off camera?
I'll be
Yeah.
honest. Me? I was gonna go with you.
Okay.
Oh,
Where?
I'm gonna go with you, and I'm gonna go with Lil Romy.
Yes.
Lil Romy, she was amazing. We had these little penguins on set, not real penguins. Sounds like hustling
Plot
penguins. But
twist.
yeah, she was a breath of fresh air every day. But honestly, like seeing Chloe go there, like she goes so deep with this character in this role, and then as soon as they shout cut, she just jumps back into being Chloe that we all know, we all love. She's endearing, she's so loving and she's so present and so there. So yeah, you held it down. You held me down through that shoot for sure.
Bless you.
So sweet. I love that.
Found out what this means, by the way. I've just found out. Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah.
See, the
Yeah.
other Chloe
I was
knew.
learning. I'm learning. I'm
It's
learning.
okay. No, you're up to speed now. It's good. Um,
Exactly.
did you guys have a favorite offset adventure that you went on as a cast?
Gosh, I don't think honestly, I'll be serious. 14 hours a day, every day this girl was on set. And then she'd be leaving set and she'd be going to the studio and you was just a machine.
The the rare couple off days
Yeah.
I had, I made sure to go to the safari. I
Yes.
went to see the penguins at the beach.
Yeah.
And as tired as I was, I'm so happy I did that.
Oh, you needed to. You
It
needed
was
to.
it was amazing.
Yeah. Cape Town's such a beautiful place, beautiful country, beautiful people, beautiful food. So yeah, we got to experience a little bit of it at least.
Yes, I know that's such a good point. Y'all are like multi-hyphenate. You and Coco, it sounds like we're both running around doing so many different projects, which is so impressive. So also credit to that. Um, and I couldn't help but think as I was watching this film, obviously Layla finds herself in such an intense situation. And if both of you found yourself in maybe not necessarily a similar situation, but something equally high stakes, is there a past co-star that you feel like would have your back that you'd kind of like tag in to help you?
Go stuff.
That we like any co-star that we've
Any
worked.
co-star?
I mean, this is an easy answer. My sister was my co-stars. I'll go with her.
That would, yeah, that's a good answer.
Yes.
I'm not gonna go that far back. I'm gonna go with this one because she kicks ass in this movie so hard. So yes, yes, you win. You win.
Malcolm
Just
also said
makes
Chloe,
a thumbs
so
up.
oh, I froze. There we go.
Hopefully.
Yeah, we got this. We got this.
Yeah, Malcolm also said Chloe, so it sounds like you're the popular
Malcolm
answer.
knows what's up. Malcolm knows what's up. Malcolm knows what's up.
But
Yes.
the way that I've been training, I can kick some butt, I think.
I believe
Yes.
it.
Like
Yes.
if life or death, I think my instincts would kick in and boom.
Watch
Yeah.
out.
Especially if
Watch
you
out.
come for people that I love.
Yeah, that sister in
I'm right behind you.
And final question, Lucien, I have to bring up the fact that it was just announced Emily in Paris is gonna end with its final season in season
Yes.
6.
Yeah,
Oh
yeah.
my
Is
goodness,
it
so
bittersweet?
many feelings.
It's so bittersweet, and it's been such an incredible, incredible ride,
Yeah.
guys, and his cast and his team, his crew. But yeah, it's still kicking in. It's I'm still kind of processing, but we had a
Yeah.
really good kind of little send off yesterday, not yesterday, day before in Mykonos and stuff like that. So we've got a season to shoot.
Yes.
So yeah, it's gonna be all the emotions are gonna be out there on the table and stuff.
Let's go.
Yes.
Oh, so excited. Well, thank you guys so much for chatting with me. It was such a thrill to talk to you, and I hope that you have a great rest of your day.
Thank you, Chloe.
Thank you,
Woo!
Chloe.